Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain halogenation of benzene. Halogenation of benzene is a electrophilic substitution reaction. That means electrophile is substituted on a benzene ring or its derivatives. In this reaction, benzene, when react with halogens in presence of aluminum anhydrous aluminum trichloride, it forms halobenzene. That means if we take chlorine, it forms chlorobenzene. Here we take chlorine. It is also known as haloarine. Now let us see what happened in this reaction. We see here the reagent used in this reaction are number 1 are we take benzene. And second is halogens. Halogens means it may be chlorine, bromine, iodine and so on. And third reagent we will take is anhydrous AlCl3. Okay, now we see the reaction. The whole reaction is benzene react with halogens. Halogens means chlorine, bromine, iodine. Here we take chlorine in presence of anhydrous aluminum trichloride. It gives chlorobenzene. It is also known as it gives chlorobenzene. It is also known as haloarenes. Now we see how electrophile is generated, how mechanism take place. Here we see the mechanism of the reaction. Mechanism. In this we take step 1. In step 1, generation of electrophile. Generation of electrophile. Electrophile means here Cl positive electrophile generated chlorinium ion. And how it generates, we take chlorine molecule and it react with, we write chlorine like this, it react with AlCl3. We all know that aluminum is electron deficient. It has 6 electrons in their outermost shell. It can accept electron, so it known as Lewis acid. When this chlorine has 3 lone pair of electron on it, it coordinate with this aluminum and this bond break from here and a bond form from aluminum and chlorine. Now we get Cl positive from here and it forms AlCl4 minus. How it will happen? We look here, we see here chlorine Cl2, chlorine Cl and Cl when react with aluminum trichloride. We can write aluminum trichloride like this. Aluminum trichloride, this aluminum is has electron deficient. It has 6 electrons in their outermost shell, and it has p vacant electron, p orbitals, p vacant orbitals. When the electron, 3 lone pairs electron present on chlorine, it gives these electron to the p orbitals of the aluminum and a coordinate bond here. Then a bond formed from aluminum and chlorine, and the bond between chlorine and chlorine is broken down. Now the transition state comes is, we can write this bond is broken and this bond between Cl and Al is formed. It forms here. This is called transition state. This bond broken from here and the bond between aluminum and chlorine is formed. At the last, what happened? This bond is broken and it forms Cl positive. This is electrophile, and AlCl4 is also AlCl4 minus is formed here. Now we see, when this electrophile is attacked, when this electrophile is formed, is attack on the benzene ring and its derivative. Here we take benzene. Now second step is attack of electrophile on benzene ring. Here electrophile is Cl positive. Now we see here benzene. This is benzene, and when electrophile comes in contact with this benzene, this pi electron shift from here. And this carbon gets positive charge and this carbon gets negative charge. A delta negative charge come on this carbon. Simultaneously, electrophile attack on this carbon and it joins with benzene. Now we see what happened. This bond shift from here, it gets positive charge and electrophile attached on this position, and a hydrogen is also present on here, and this bond present here and this bond present here. Now this compound is become non-aromatic. It lost her aromatic character. So to retain their aromatic character, it's undergo resonance. Now this bond shift here and it neutralizes this positive charge and a double bond form here. Now we see in this next structure is a double bond form here, and this carbon gets positive charge here, and this bond is also here, and here Cl is present and here H is present. To neutralize this positive charge, this bond shift here and it forms double bond here. Now we see in the next structure what happened. In next structure, a double bond shift here, it neutralizes positive charge, a positive charge is present here, and a positive charge comes here on this carbon. Cl is present and H is present here. In this structure, what will happen? To form this double bond, to neutralize this positive charge, hydrogen eliminate as a positive charge and it forms a double bond here, and this positive charge neutralized here. Now let's see what happened. A double bond form here, this bond also present here, and this bond also present here, Cl. It is chlorobenzene. It is chlorobenzene. When this chlorobenzene is formed, then the third step, what happened in this third step? Now let's see. These resonating structures are called rhenium ion. Rhenium ion. Okay. In third step, let's we see the third step. Step third. What happened? Regeneration of AlCl3. How it will happen? Let's we see. We take this structure here a positive charge and a double bond here and double bond here. When AlCl4 comes in contact with this structure, it releases AlCl minus, and here a proton release from here and form a double bond here, and HCl is released from here, HCl is released from here, HCl is released from here, and it forms AlCl3 regenerate, and a chlorobenzene form here. Chlorobenzene. This is called chlorobenzene. This is called chlorobenzene. Here now this is the whole reaction of halogenation of benzene. Here we see the short tracks. Short tracks when benzene react with halogen in presence of AlCl3 anhydrous LCl3, a HCl release from here, and it gets haloarine, chlorobenzene. Now guys, this is a short trick of halogenation of benzene. Now here halogenation of benzene is finished. If you like my video, then please subscribe my video and like my video. If you subscribe my video, you get my next video. Okay, thank you for watching my video.